Don't be silly, Billy. All the engines on Sir Topham Hatt's railway are proud of being really useful. Gordon likes being the best express. Percy likes pulling the mail cars on time. And Thomas likes being given a special. One morning, Thomas arrived at Brendam Docks. He was excited. "Today I have to look after a new engine," tooted Thomas. "Well, that's a special job, me hearty," smiled Salty. "And here he is." The new engine was shiny, orange, and puffing with pride. Billy," whistled the new engine. "Let's go." "Wait, Billy," tooted Thomas. "We can't go yet. We have to wait for Sir Topham Hatt." "Why?" huffed Billy. "Because he tells us what we are to do," whistled Thomas. Billy didn't want to wait for Sir Topham Hatt. He wanted to go. Sir Topham Hatt arrived.
"Billy," he boomed, "you have a very busy day."
Billy beamed.
"First, you must take empty chicken cars to the farm and bring the chickens back to the docks. Then you are to deliver diesel oil to the quarry. And lastly, you have to take coal to the depot."
"Yes, sir," bubbled Billy happily. "Right away, sir."
"Thomas, you must show Billy how to be a really useful engine," added Sir Topham Hatt. And he left.
"Billy," Thomas steamed, "you must pull the chickens slowly and smoothly." "I know that," sighed Billy. He pumped his pistons impatiently. "Don't pump your pistons before you're ready to leave," whistled Thomas. "It wastes coal and water." Billy puffed and huffed. "And first, you must take on enough coal and water for a busy day," added Thomas. "Thomas," huffed Billy, "stop telling me what to do. You are a very bossy engine." And Billy raced off. "He thinks you're a bossy boiler, me hearty," laughed Salty. Thomas didn't like being called bossy. He had promised Sir Topham Hatt he would look after Billy, so Thomas chased after him. Thomas was pleased to find Billy at the farm. But Billy wasn't pleased to see Thomas. "Billy, you must take on coal and water." "Don't tell me what to do, Thomas," huffed Billy. "You are a very bossy engine." Billy steamed off. "Silly Billy, you've forgotten the chickens," Farmer McCall called. "Bother, Billy," wheezed Thomas. And he jumped quickly off towards the quarry. Thomas was pleased to find Billy at the quarry, but Billy wasn't pleased to see him. "You didn't pick up the chickens," puffed Thomas, "and you still haven't taken on coal and water." "Stop telling me what to do, Thomas," huffed Billy. "You are a very bossy engine." And Billy steamed off. "He's forgotten our oil," wheezed Mavis. Thomas was worried, and he raced off quickly for the depot. Thomas was pleased to find Billy at the depot, but Billy wasn't pleased to see him. Billy had backed up to heavy wagons of diesel oil. "They need diesel oil at the quarry, not the depot," tooted Thomas. "And you still haven't taken on coal and water." "Stop telling me what to do, Thomas," huffed Billy. You are a very, very bossy engine. Billy steamed off without the diesel oil. Thomas was worried, and he chased after him. Thomas was pleased to find Billy at the coaling plant. He was backing his wagons under the hopper. But he did see Percy there, and he biffed him. Right under the hopper. Percy was covered in coal from funnel to footplate. Watch out, silly Billy, Percy peeped. Oh no, tooted Thomas. You must be careful when you roll under the hopper, and you must take on coal and water now. Thomas, huffed Billy, stop telling me what to do. You are a very bossy engine. Thomas was very unhappy. He didn't want to be called bossy anymore. Do whatever you want, Billy, he wished. This made Billy very happy. He raced off. Suddenly, Billy stopped. He had run out of coal and water. Cinders and ashes, cried Thomas. I haven't taught Billy to be really useful at all. Thomas shunted Billy to the water tower. Then Billy's firebox was filled with coal. I know you think I'm a bossy boiler, tooted Thomas, but I've done all these jobs before. I can help you. Then no one will call you a silly Billy. So together, Billy and Thomas collected Farmer McCall's chickens. Took them to the dumps. Then they delivered the diesel oil to Mavis and Diesel at the quarry. And lastly, they delivered coal to the depot. Thomas was very tired. Goodbye, Billy, he chuffed. Sir Topham Hatt will be very pleased you finished all your jobs. Thomas started to puff away. Thomas, bubbled Billy. You're not a bossy boiler. You're a really useful engine. And I really enjoyed working with you. Thomas felt very happy. Billy wasn't a silly Billy anymore. And Thomas had made a really good friend.